Any personal injury is an unexpected and unnecessary burden that can be difficult to navigate. If you are in this scenario and do not know where to start, maybe our next guest can help. I want to welcome Beth Janicek, founder and lead attorney of Janicek Law, and Mona Power, board-certified paralegal. Ladies, thank you for being with us.
Thanks for having us.
This is a tough, it's a tough subject to discuss, but very important for our audience if they've been in any of these scenarios. What exactly, though, is medical malpractice, and can you tell us about what kind of medical malpractice cases you do handle?
Okay, sure. Medical malpractice is a very specialized area of law. It's all governed by a special section of law. And so it is anything that really involves a healthcare provider or a healthcare facility. So that means it ranges from birth injury cases to nursing home abuse cases, and it's a broad broad area injury law.
But they do happen, because just to think about medical malpractice is a bit scary, but obviously you guys do see that happening here in our city too.
Sure. We handle place primarily in San Antonio, and unfortunately there is a lot of malpractice that occurs both in the hospital settings and in nursing homes.
And Mona, what is your part in all of this? How do you step in?
I'm actually Beth's paralegal. I've been working for her for 28 years. I'm board certified, which there's not a lot of board certified paralegals in Texas. There's only 400 out of 28,000 paralegals. And so we've been working together, and I think we do a great job.
I can see that. You guys have a good, what's the word here? Friendship, and also just you guys jive well together. What kind of personal injury cases do you handle, and what should someone do when they have been injured as a result of someone else's negligence?
Okay, we do, and people use the term differently. Generally, personal injury refers to more like if you've been injured in a car wreck, or and although really medical malpractice is a personal injury too, but we handle all types of personal injury cases. We do the medical malpractice, but we also do the car wrecks, which is generally or injured on the premises, those types of cases.
And what should someone do if they are in that case or that scenario?
They should contact us.
Call Janicek Law.
That's right. Contact us and let us help them navigate what's going to happen.
Sure.
You really need someone to help you navigate not only dealing with insurance companies, but also in making sure that you're getting the medical care you need for any injury you receive.
Sure. And what do you believe, or why do you believe you set yourself apart from other law firms?
I think what's really unique about our firm is I'm board certified. And Mona's board certified, and the other attorneys, we have a couple other attorneys in the office who are also board certified. And I believe that's really important for people to understand what board certification means. It means that we've had the experience of going to trial. I know that people might find it unusual that there are a lot of lawyers out there that call themselves trial lawyers, but they don't actually go into the courtroom and try the cases. And we do that at Janicek Law.
And I know you have 25 years of experience as well. This is your passion, both of y'all. So
Yes.
Definitely, if our audience wants to give you guys a call, you do have an offer for them today.
I do. And we are offering today for anyone who mentions that they saw us here on Great Day SA, we're going to limit our contingency fee contract to 25% on their personal injury case.
Okay, well, thank you so much. And people can give you guys a call for sure. Do they need to make an appointment to maybe go over their case with you?
Well, they can call and talk to our staff right now, and they can set up an appointment if they need to as well. So if they just call us at the number there on the screen.
Yeah, it's 210-366-4949, or go to janiceclaw.com. They do offer a free consultation, open Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Ladies, thank you so much for being with us and
thank you for
teaching us a little
us.
bit more about this sensitive subject.
Yes, thank you.
All right, y'all. We'll keep it right here on Great Day SA, because after the break, we are getting a preview